I know we're moving fast, and some say we won't last, but I will be alright as long as I know I'm with you. Oh, forever summer high, I know that we'll be fine. Letting go and go free falling, living on top of the world. Blue skies and nice winds, never keeping track of time. Sun and skin.
Good morning, welcome to the vlog. I'm going with some wet hair today because I don't feel like blow drying it. And I'm going to be working. I have, I think 4 orders. Ooh, that actually need to go out on Thursday. But because we are going to the Cure concert tomorrow, I won't be working Wednesday to ship Thursday. That makes sense. So yeah, so I'm gonna get those done so that way tomorrow I can just enjoy myself. We're gonna leave kind of early. You okay? Anyway, it's car wash time. Watch our sensors go crazy. Oh, Timmy is that. I can't see. Hi guys. I was gonna vlog earlier. Excuse me. I got the burps. I feel really full. We had manwich for dinner. And I only ate like 1 manwich. Like maybe 4 tater tots, if that. But I feel very bloated. I think it's because I drank a Dr. Pepper. So Danny left the Dr. Pepper here, and so I've been really good. I haven't been drinking them, but earlier today, like right before my husband got home, I was like, man, I just really want trying to see what I'm doing here. I was like, I just really want something sweet. You know what I mean? Like, you just feel like... And I was like, we don't have anything sweet. And I was like, oh, I'll just have a little bit of Dr. Pepper. So, I took a can. This girl. I took a can outside when Journey was swimming. And sipped on it. I didn't drink all of it. I just drank, you know, probably like... maybe half, if that, of the can. Anyway. So, Sterling... we were going to go see The Cure tomorrow. So I did her hair, what, Saturday? And it was half purple and half pink. And so she had a little bit of the hair dye. It's just the, I think it's splat or whatever. Like, if you don't use it, you can, like, kind of cap it and, you know, keep it, like it, you know, it's not like when you mix, it's already mixed up in the bottle. Anyway, it's one of those washes out in 10 washes, 30 washes, I don't remember. It's not permanent. So I wanted to do my hair. Sorry you guys. I really was not tired till I got down here. It was like, as soon as I reached down here. Anyway, so I really like my hair being blonde. Obviously, I've kept it for over a year now. But I like it to have those really dark undertones. And how I've been doing my hair is I started off with highlighting. So I started highlighting it with the little highlighter caps where you pull a little bit of hair through, you know, the little thing. And over time, because I highlighted it, you know, several times, like when it grows out so far, and then I'll highlight it again when it grows out so far. So it got blonde. So around Christmas time, instead of dyeing my hair or bleaching my hair, because I know it's bad for your hair, although I really haven't had any issues with like a lot of hair loss after I've done it, I think a majority of my hair loss, because I have lost a lot of hair, and it came after we had COVID in July. About September is when I really noticed like I was losing hair. I know thyroid issues and stuff like that, but my thyroid gets checked regularly. It's all good. And it's kind of weird, like the places I lost the hair, because, you know, I've been bleaching all this, but this isn't where I lost the hair. Where I lost the majority of my hair is back here. I don't know if you guys can, if it's showing up or not, because I don't have eyes in the back of my head, but all of this is like so short. And yeah, so, and then of course I have all, you know, had a lot of little hairs in here and through here. So anyway, talking about hair loss, that happened after the second time we had COVID, which was last July. In September is when I really noticed my hair was getting thinner, and it wasn't until probably maybe March, because it wasn't, yeah, maybe in March, that I noticed that I had a lot of hair growth. So now it's starting to fill back in, and I have trimmed it like a few times, and it is getting longer again. So I do know that it is growing, and you know, it does feel like it's getting thicker, especially up here. So that's good. But anyway, what I was saying about my hair is that I had been just doing the highlighter, where you put highlights in, and then after I noticed my hair was starting to get really, you know, thin, and you know, I started to just use regular hair dye, like blonde hair dye, and I did that probably, I want to say twice maybe, and then after that, I think it was in around February, I just decided that I wasn't going to do anything to my hair, so I didn't do anything to my hair from, like, if you look back on vlogs, you can totally tell, from February until like right up before we went to Michigan. So right before we went to Michigan, I did the cap again and did the highlights. And then after I did that, I actually added in some lowlights as well that time. So I really like the way it looks with like blonde highlights with the dark like roots and undertones. That's just what I like. So I went ahead, because we're going to a concert tomorrow. Sterling and I was like, let's do our hair. So she's the one that does my hair. So she went ahead and first we put in the highlights with the cap, and then after I was done with that, then we went in with, which now that I think about it, I probably should have done it the other way around, but in the end it worked. And then we went in and we put in the low lights, which so when like people, like you go to the salon and they highlight, they'll like go from underneath and they'll take a section and then they'll weave in and out with one of those, like, ours is on the end of a comb, like metal, yeah. So we just did like that, and then put the dye and then wrapped it in tin foil. So that's how we added in the lowlights. And then she had some of the purple and pink dye left over, so I told her I was going to do 2 strands, one over here and over here, purple side and pink side, because her hair is pink and purple. I did the opposite sides. Hers is purple. No, hers is pink on this side, and then hers is purple on this side. Anyway, I just did it to be fun, because we're going to the Cure concert tomorrow. So I totally love it. I probably won't do another highlighting session, probably maybe more towards I don't know, August, September, somewhere in there. Because, like I said, I do like the darker roots, and I just want to, you know, for it to grow out a little bit. But yeah, now that y'all know about my hair, we're going to the Cure concert tomorrow. Sterling wants to wear this dress. So, as many of you know, we are taking her to counseling and stuff, and she has the fear of throwing up, and she has lost a lot of weight, and so this dress does not fit her anymore. So we are going to try to remedy it and see if we can take it in a little bit so it's tighter. And because this has an overlay, I'm not sure how I want to do this right now. I was just going to do up. I was just going to sew the little pink slit that's inside, but I'm not sure how that would look. So I think I will just take it all up. I will. So this is what I'm going to do right now, and then I do have, I think, 3 or 4 orders that need to go out on Thursday, so I will have to do those. But for now, I need to try to figure out how to do this dress. I need to go get some clips.
Thanks for watching. Hey, tomorrow. Bye, guys.